Exciting cars await. Get my...
You're so smart! Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the drilling tractor. Keep going! Perfect! Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Perfect! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent! Magnificent! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going! You solved the problem! Something is dripping here. Match the keys to the lock by size. Super! I knew you could backhoe! Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going! Perfect! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super! You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble drilling tractor. That was wonderful! Now we can upgrade the parts. We need to get to the construction site.